Hi guys, Frugal Gal here. I am making up a box of jewelry that's for sale, and it is going to fill up this priority small flat rate box. Plus, I will tape it up and then put it inside a priority padded rate flat rate envelope, so it'd be more protected. These boxes are going to be $25. This is the first one I'm making up, and I'll make up more. I want to give you an idea of what I'm putting in them, and I'll show you everything I'm putting in there. $25, but that's free shipping. So you get free shipping, just $25. You're going to get a lot of nice jewelry, vintage, some signed pieces. So let's get started. How I invoice you through PayPal, and I'll need your email. This is sold to the first person who says want down in the comments. And there'll be more of these to come. This is a nice, shorter style with an extension on it necklace. Let it focus. And it's going in there. And I thought that the geometric shapes on there, that these earrings match, so I'm going to put those earrings in there with it. Okay. I have this nice toggle clasp, silver tone with beads and a nice heart. It's for a teacher bracelet. I just bought this and I haven't even cleaned it up, so you might want to clean it up, but it's very pretty. Prong clasps in their prong settings in the faux pearls. Focus in. It's got some wear on the pearls, but that just might need to be cleaned. I don't know if it's wear or not, but it is very vintage looking to me. Some design on that, and it's a fold over clasp bracelet. Would you focus? Okay, this nice bedazzled seed bead roll-on bracelet. These nice earrings. These are metal earrings, and they've got a cutout cross on them with the back part of the metal is flowers and kind of a what do you call it? Southwestern design. And then it's got little stud bead things on it, and then the back's like that. Isn't that neat? And they're French hook. They're not too heavy even though they're metal. I got these nice hoops that are wire wrapped silver tone. This is a beautiful, let me get it close before I poke myself. This is a beautiful brooch. What am I trying to say? I'm not missing anything. Isn't that a beautiful brooch? You know I gotta throw y'all some brooches in there. This is a really pretty black. I think this is just, it doesn't feel like stone. It's not cold. I think it's just resin. But look how it's sitting there in that beautiful necklace on a nice chain. Nice long chain. Put that in there. This necklace is quite heavy because all these beads are glass and these metal parts are kind of heavy. And I do believe that even, sorry about my finger, I cut my thumb quite badly. I think even these beryl clear beads or silver tone beads, those are glass too. This is just a beautiful necklace. So put that in there. I'm going to put these, I know these aren't jewelry, but these are bobby pins that are just beautiful with, I keep saying beautiful a lot, but all this stuff is really shiny and pretty. Let me see if I can get it on there. See, rhinestone bobby pins. It's really pretty. I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to put this swan brooch in there. Little swan brooch. Okay. I thought this necklace is really long. I thought the beads, they almost look like cloisonne, but they're not. They're just like painted on there. Isn't that pretty with all the roses and the vines and things? And it's just one of those you throw over your head. I thought, wow, that's neat. Okay. And then I'm giving you a variety of a lot of different items. Here's a ring I'm going to put in there, and I'm going to try to get it to come off really well. Hold on a second. It's hard when you can't use your thumb. It's really shiny. See, all that's shiny. And then that bead, and then it's adjustable. And it's in excellent shape. And it's an adjustable ring. Put that in there. So you're getting rings, necklaces, bracelets, brooches. Here is a bunny rabbit. Now this has some wear on it. I will show you the wear. I have not cleaned it up. It might just shine up real pretty. It's a little chubby bunny rabbit. And it's going to be worn as a pendant or a brooch. And it's got a C clasp on it. You see it's a little rough on the back. But who's going to see the back when you're wearing it? Isn't that cute? Put him in there. We got these really nice earrings. And these earrings are a sign piece. I'm going to have to zoom in to see exactly what they're signed because I forget. They are Park Lane. These are Park Lane. And if you look these up, guys, Park Lane earrings go for quite a bit. They are very lovely Park Lane earrings. Okay. Yeah, we always usually get in our jewelry those wraparound bracelets. This is a wraparound faux pearl. I assume it's faux pearl ring. Isn't that neat? So you can just put it on, wrap it around there. Okay. I'm going to give you some cufflinks because men need jewelry too. And I'm going to throw in a tie clip with it that is signed. I know it's signed if I can get it to show me what it is. See how it's signed there. I believe it's Hickok. It's vintage. We'll put those in there. I have this ring. It's really interesting. That feels like glass, but I'm not sure if it's glass. Not sure what size it is. Like I said, I'm not going to give you the sizes because I'm selling these for such a great price. That's going in there. Giving you this bracelet. Now, I don't care for the wire part of the bracelet, but I like this little leaf here. And I tested it for, sorry, my fingernail's dirty. I tested it for sterling silver, and it wasn't sterling silver. But you could take that off there and reuse it. Okay? I'm going to put in these vintage plastic or celluloid earrings. Aren't those neat? They are clip-ons. I'm going to put these what I call door knocker earrings in there. These are pierced. Bright gold, perfect shaped. Now some of my earrings don't have backs on it because I get them without backs, so don't think I'm taking off the backs and keeping them or anything. They don't come with backs, some of them. You get these gorgeous earrings. I love these, the beads that are in here. They're hard too. I tested these because I thought they might be silver, but they weren't. That's pretty. Okay. You're going to get this little pendant. Has a P on it. Little pendant. Here's some more pendants. You're going to get this cat's eye pendant. It's pink and silver tone. Oh, it's marked. I didn't even know it was marked. Oh, it's Leah Sophia. So you get this pendant. It's Leah Sophia pendant. Cool. Didn't even know that. This reminds me of like a bent spoon ring, but this is a pendant. Isn't that gorgeous? I wonder if you could make that into a ring. You get this little heart. It's a pin. A pin back like this. You get this awesome. I really like this one I found. Let me move this back so you can see this. Bracelet. Look at the silver tone. And it's interesting because it's got this. You take this out of here. This pin comes out of here, and then it opens up. Isn't that neat? You get that. You get this necklace, which is, I don't think they're glass beads, but they're very hard. They're on a nice chain. These are just some things I'm throwing in. I just thought these beads were interesting on this necklace. That goes in there. Putting some stretchy bracelets in there, but they're nice stretchy bracelets, okay? I really like these beads. And it's not stretched out. They're just plastic. They're not wooden. And then this one, I like these. These are, I'm pretty sure these are not plastics, but these are clay. They're interesting. It's not stretched out. And then this one has some really nice blue beads on here that are square, and these are glass beads. And then I'm putting in this awesome necklace. Isn't this gorgeous? I have to like back out to show you this. This is a Talbots. Is that how you say it? Talbots, the store necklace. It's very heavy with all these on here. I'll show you the tag. Is that a tag on it? See, that's Talbots, right? Right there. Yeah. Oh, quit it. Come on. There, Talbot, see? And it's in perfect shape, and it's really nice. We're going to put that, oh, that's heavy. We're going to put that in there. And then, I've got this little faux pearl, different color pearls, and it's got a clasp on it. It's a bracelet. And the piece de la resistance, did I say that right? Is because I'm the Monet means money girl. I haven't said that in a while. Monet means money. You're going to get this vintage Monet, I believe it's 1960s, guys, necklace. I'm going to show you the Monet tag. Monet, my Monet. It's hard because I can't get a hold of it with my cut finger. Oh, excuse the nail. The net nail looks terrible. No, it's not there. There? There it is. Monet, because Monet means Monday. Okay. So you're getting a piece of Monet. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this box of jewelry. $25 free shipping. Let's go ahead and weigh it. You wanna? You wanna weigh it? £1. Look at that. 1 pound, 13.4 ounces. Woohoo! $25 free shipping. First one that says below that they want it. You get all these goodies, and I'll be making up lots more of these, guys. Thanks. I will talk to you guys later. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share my videos. I'm loopy. I've had like 2 hours sleep, and I had to get back up. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.